everybody, it's Carrie. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have another Amazon clothing haul. We are doing dresses again. We are doing wedding guest dresses, this time a little more dressy than the last one. So for the first dress, we're going to start with this. This is the Boho Halter neck floral print long maxi sleeveless ruffle dress. It has the ruffles down the side, also has the tie wrap on it. You've got the little strap, so it goes high up around your neck and your the back of your neck. Has this very pretty blue floral pattern on it. It does come in a few other colors. On the back, it's got a little opening and then the little button with elastic closure. It is 100% polyester. It feels very nice, very lightweight. Okay, so the next dress is this very pretty one shoulder. It has this big bow on the shoulder of it. The side has some ruching in it. Does have the slit down it. This one is a very pretty pink color. They do have a few other ones. Is that it is a Bodycon. It is 97% polyester and 3% elastane. It is has a little bit of stretch to it. It is a little bit of a heavier material. It does go down to your ankles. So we will see. It's very pretty in the picture. We will see what it looks like on. Okay, so the next dress is this very pretty. This is a Grace Karen. Very beautiful sleeveless halter neck midi swing dress. This is the haze blue color. It goes high on your neck. Looks like it's got elastic in it, but it doesn't. It's got the cute little opening in the back at the neck with the little button and elastic closure. This is it's got the little tie around the waist, about a knee-length dress. They do have a few other colors. It is 98% polyester and 2% viscose. I don't know what that is, but it is super cute. Love the blue color. So the next dress is this off the shoulder. It says Ruffle party dress, casual side split, beach long maxi. It says it does have pockets. Look, pockets. So it's got the ruffle all along the top. It's got the elastic waist. It does, it's quite long, goes down to your feet. You got the long side split. Okay, so this is the ZAC blue. It is very, very pretty blue. It is a cotton and spandex blend. It is a little on the heavier side. A lot of fabric in it. So the next dress is this very pretty one shoulder ruched bodycon dress. So on the shoulder sleeve part of it has this real pretty ruching on it. It is a shorter dress, so it looks like it's got, if I can hold it up, a wrap on it. Does come with a belt. This is the pink color. They have quite a few other colors. So it is 60% viscose, 30% nylon, and 10% spandex. It's got a little bit of stretch to it. That's the ruching at the waist. Very pretty in the pictures, so we will see. So the next dress is this one shoulder ruched sleeveless bodycon. It says mini short. This is the gray blue color. It's a very pretty color. You can't really tell on camera. It does have some sheen to it. It's very slinky. It's got the ruching like all the way down the sides. They have a ton of colors. There is no tag in it, so I'm not sure which is the front one and the back. I guess it really doesn't matter. It's 95% polyester and 5% spandex. Very pretty. So I did get a size medium in everything. I forgot to say that at the beginning. So that is my dress haul from Amazon. I think it is a good mixture of dressier dresses. The dresses on a little bit more dressier side. If you are interested in any of the dresses, I'll leave the links down below in the description. Consider subscribing if you like clothing hauls. Don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps my channel bunches. Thanks for watching and have a great day.